Welcome, friends. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to grill a full chicken, and our ingredients today are going to be a full chicken, oil, slap your mama, a liquid lime, a liquid lemon, onions, ginger, ground cinnamon. I'll be using curry, I'll be using thyme, and I'll be using knorr. And the first step would be rinsing our chicken, making sure it's clean. Then in between, I cut the back of the chicken. That way, while marinating it, all my spices could get into, into the chicken. So at this point in time, what I'm doing right now is just making sure everything is all clear, making sure my chicken is um clean. Um, once I verify that guy is clean, once I verify the chicken is clean, I put the chicken into a bowl and add my spices into it. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is that's my mixed thyme, my mixed curry, and my mixed knorr. What I'm doing right now is applying it on all sides of the chicken, not just the back of the chicken. I also try adding it inside of the chicken also. Just spread it around and make sure it does marinate good. The next thing I want to do, or the next thing I'm doing right here, is adding oil to it. We always love our chicken, our turkey, our meat. We always love it juicy. So part of the process is adding a little bit of oil to the chicken. That way our spices spread around. Once we're done with the oil, once we're done adding the oil and rubbing those spices around the chicken, the next part will be squeezing a lime on the chicken just a little bit. And once I'm done with with some of the lime, I try putting the remaining inside of the chicken. That's when time it's time to add my liquid lime, and that is what I'm doing right there. I'm adding my liquid lime. Once we're done with the liquid lime, the next thing I want to do is add the liquid lemon. For these guys right here, for those guys right here, most of the time I get them from Kroger. I know Walmart sells at times, but for the most part, it's either you can literally get them from Walmart or Kroger. At this point in time, I'm done adding my liquid lime and my liquid lemon. At this point in time, this is where you go ahead and add your slap your mama. I'm not sure if any one of you has tried this recipe before, but hey, try it and let me know what you think. I just had to slap your mama. And the next step right here would be just you know flipping the chicken and adding slap it a little bit of slap your mama to the other side of the chicken, um, just for marination purposes. So right there, I just added I just added my lime into the chicken. At this point in time, the next step would be dicing my onions or into my bowl. Once you're done dicing onions, the next phase will be adding your ground cinnamon. Um, Once you're done adding your ground cinnamon, you want to also add your ginger and add your ginger. At this point in time, we're almost done marinating, and I'm just trying to make sure my chicken is well marinated. Um, Now that we've stuffed the chicken, we've stuffed our ingredients, our onions, our lemon, and all that good stuff. Now that we've stuffed into the chicken, we want to cover our chicken and let it marinate for 6 to 8 hours. Marinate it for 6 to 8 hours. Most of the time, I do it overnight. I do it a day before I grill. Then I grill the chicken the next day. At this point in time, this is my grill right here. I want my grill really hot because we're doing a live chicken. Look at that guy right there at 400 degrees centigrade. So right there, that guy's at 400 degrees centigrade. The first thing you want to do next is add oil to my pan. And once I'm done adding my oil to my pan, that way the main reason why I'm doing that is so the chicken doesn't stick to the pan, to the cooking pan. So once you add your oil to the pan, the next fix will be putting your chicken inside of the pan. It's just a process. Most folks might just throw their chicken straight to the grill, but I don't do that. What I do first is let it steam up a little bit on the pan. Um, once it steams up a little bit, once it steams up a little bit, that is when I now throw the chicken on the grill, if that makes sense. So as at this point in time, I'm just taking my time. Um, you know, Once I put that guy into the pan, I had the remaining juice into or add the main juice. Just pour it on the chicken, so everything could cook together. Cover your pan if you have a foil paper. I think I ran out of foil paper. That's why I'm using the quarterly ones. I ran out of foil paper, which is fine. But just cover your pan with whatever you have. And our next phase would be throwing that guy on the grill. Let that guy stay on the grill for about an hour and a half. Make sure you check it in between. That way, make sure you flip the chicken in between just to make sure it doesn't burn on one side. So leave that guy for an hour and a half to 2 hours on the grill and let it just do its thing. Once your satin is cooked to an extent, or it's stayed to the on an extent, that's when you take the chicken and put that chicken on the grill. So right there, that guy looking so brown, looking done. Just take your time. On this part, I leave it for another 1 hour, and this is a chicken right here. Look at that guy just tripped off. Oh my God, smooth. That is how you do it right there. That is how we do it in Texas. So you see how the chicken, you see how the wings are just dropping off. Yeah, that is how we do it. Yeah, that's a ready-made from the lime and the lemon I did put in initially. So for that part, I take those guys out and just cut my chicken into little pieces. Take your time, cut your chicken into a few pieces. If you can break it. Like so right there, you see how juicy that guy is. Just the way I like it. Um, you know, I guess my knife isn't that strong, but just take your time to cut the chicken. Once you're done cutting it, you can just, for the most part, I put them into the fridge. The ones I'll be using for the week, I put inside the fridge, and the ones I don't need, I put it inside the freezer. But this is the end result of my full chicken. Look at that guy looking so good, so yummy. Thank you all for what you do, and I really appreciate it. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please kind of subscribe, and yeah, thank you.